Brock, this is for you. This is a arcade control panel from GameRoomSolutions.com. Pretty much everything kind of comes with it. You get the wood and the screws, the buttons, the joysticks. I made some minor modifications. First one is, it's hard to see, but I added a switch so you can turn it on and off from the outside. I also added right here USB ports, again so you can access it from the outside. The artwork was also printed by them. The only thing you gotta add is the tmolding. I went with chrome. On the inside, it's a little messy, but that's okay. On the right is the Raspberry Pi. I put it in a case with a fan because it gets kind of hot in there. On the left, just a small surge protector with the plugs. One of the plugs is for the Pi, one of the plugs is for the lights for the switches. And so yeah, this is the wiring there. I'll be sure to clean this up before I send it out.